Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Telegram voice chat in Channel. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is open your Telegram application. I'm currently on another setting. All you need to do is go to your chats and open your channel. Once you've done that, the first thing you can do is simply go ahead and send a voice message if you want to, or the second way you can do it is by clicking on your profile or the name of the channel. Once you've done that, all you need to do is click on the three dots right over here. And finally, once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and click on Start Voice Chat. If you don't find that, you can go to channel settings and then turn the voice chat on right over here. But keep in mind that you need to simply go ahead and choose to start the chat as your personal account or as your channel according to the guidance. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.